Welcome to the SUNNYHEAT video tutorials. This tutorial is about the key lock. What is the key lock? If the key lock is activated, no button on the EcoControl thermostat can be pressed. Normal operation is only possible when the key lock is deactivated with a pin. Where can I find the operating modes? The operating modes can be found by tapping the operating mode button. What is the Activate, Deactivate menu? In the Activate, Deactivate menu, the key lock can be activated or deactivated. For security reasons, it is necessary to enter a PIN. The default PIN for the key lock can be found in the instruction manual of the SUNNYHEAT infrared heaters. The respective digit of the PIN can be selected with a tap on the desired value. The active value is marked with an arrow. The PIN can be set up with the plus button or down with the minus button. The PIN is checked by pressing the confirmation button. If the entry is correct, the Activate, Deactivate menu appears. If the entry is not correct, a message appears. With a tap on Activate, the key lock is activated, and with a tap on Deactivate, the key lock is deactivated. The selected value is marked with a tick. Pressing the back button once takes you back to the previous menu. What is the Change PIN menu? In the Change PIN menu, you can change the PIN to another PIN. The current PIN is entered under Old PIN. The desired new PIN is entered under New PIN. The respective digit of the PIN can be selected with a tap on the desired value. The active value is marked with an arrow. The PIN can be set up with the plus button or down with the minus button. By pressing the confirmation button, the changes are accepted and you return to the previous menu. Tip: if the PIN has been forgotten, you can reset EcoControl to the factory settings. The PIN for the key lock will then change back to the default PIN. Attention! If you reset to the factory settings, all settings will be reset. If you press the back button instead of the confirmation button, you return to the previous menu without saving the changes. Pressing the back button several times takes you back to the main display. If the key lock is activated, the key lock symbol appears on the main display. No button can be pressed and you cannot access the main menu. Pressing the key lock symbol takes you back to the menu for activating, deactivating the key lock, where the key lock can be deactivated. In this tutorial, the key lock was activated and the PIN for the key lock was changed. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about SUNNYHEAT is available at sunnyheat.com.